Welcome back, my subscribers. Yeah, we are working on the 62 Falcon. Somebody did a lot of work on this car, and they put the EFI carb on this thing, and of course they had to change the pickup. But the craziest damn thing I ever have seen is these lines should go under the car. Yeah. Cheap ass fuel clamps on the fuel filter. This is all inside the trunk. And guess what? Those lines, fuel lines now, go that way. And we're still in the trunk. Let me swing over here. Some of the dumbest crap I've ever seen, because this is so unsafe for anyone. Yep, they come right here inside the car. And they got ferrule joints, which is crazy too. And then they turn and go up under the seat. The seat was actually bolted, the frame of the seat was actually bolted down on top. And I'm pulling the carpet out because they go up the tunnel and through the firewall. Hang on, guys, hang on, let me move. And come out the back of the firewall down there, if you can see it. And right up here to the EFI carburetor. That is supply and return. How stupid. Not only that, research has shown that this big old gigantic HEI distributor is the wrong one, because it hits the fitting for the hot water heater. If you're just in a race car, you probably didn't need a hot water heater. You can block that off and this distributor will work. But yeah, you should run a Ford distributor that actually has a coil over here. And you could actually hook up your advancement instead of plugging it off. I don't know who did the work on this car, but wow. They were trying their best to like have somebody burn up inside the car that maybe smoked cigarettes or whatever, fumes from a ferrule leak. Yeah, you don't do that. These go under the car for a reason. That way, if there's a leak, it'll drop down under the car, evaporate, or if it caught on fire, it'd give you enough damn time to get out the car and run. Anyway, yeah, you want to buy a car, you better get somebody that can really inspect it and knows what they're doing, because this whole trunk thing is all wiring's done all right, but these the vent tube's probably good, but this supply and return and a filter should never be in here. And then he had this crap. Yeah, that crap piled up on top of it. I don't know what that is, but anyway, YouTubers, if you don't know, get a hold of somebody like me or somebody that knows something and find out the correct way of doing stuff. All right, Mad Brad's Custom. We are Falco out. Doesn't even say Falcon. Wow.